Hi friends, here we are going to explain about foundation of organizational structure prepared by Monica and Manishi.
What is organization structure? It defines how job tasks are formally divided, grouped, and coordinated. Especially, there are 6 key elements that managers needs to address when they design an organizational structure. Key elements: work specialization, departmentalization, chain of command, span of control, centralization and decentralization, formulation. Work specialization: the degree to which tasks in the organization are subdivided into the separate jobs. Division of labor and the early auto assembly plants in the US as the example of this. Departmentalization: the basics by which jobs are grouped together. The most common way of doing this is by function. Chain of command: the unbroken lines of authority that extends from the top of the organization to the lowest echelon and clarifies who to whom. Unity of command: the subordinate should have only one superior to whom he or she directly responsible. Span of control: the number of subordinate a manager can efficiently and effectively direct. Centralization: the degree to which decision making are concentrated at the single point in the organization. Decentralization: decentralization is when decision disguised in pushed down to lower level employee. Formalization: the degree to which jobs within the organization are standardized. Now I hand over this section to Mani Meenachi.
Let's see about common organization designs. The simple structure. A structure characterized by a low degree departmentalization, wide span of control, authority centralized in a single person, and little formalization. The bureaucracy. A structure of highly operating routine tasks achieved through specialization, where formalized rules and regulations, tasks that are grouped into functional departments, centralized authority, narrow spans of control, and decision making that follows the chain command. The matrix structure. A structure that creates dual line of authority and combines functional and product departmentalization. Now let's see about new design options. Team structure. A team structure is a design in which an organization is made up of teams and each team works towards a common goal. Virtual organization. A virtual organization is a temporary or permanent collection of geographically dispersed individuals, groups, organization units, or entire organizations that depend on electronic linking in order to complete the production process. The boundaryless organization. While traditional organization structures have defined vertical and horizontal borders and hierarchies, boundaryless organizations are defined specifically by a lack of structures and an approach to business that is based on the free flow of information and ideas to drive innovation, efficiency, and growth in a world that's constantly changing. Why do structures differ? Strategy: innovation, cost minimization, and imitation. Organization size. An organization's size significantly affects its structure. The relationship isn't linear, rather, size affects structure at a decreasing rate. Technology: how an organization transfers its input into outputs. Every organization has at least one technology for converting financial, human, and physical resources into products or services. The common theme that differentiates technologies is their degree of routineness. Environment: institutions or forces outside the organization that potentially affect the organization performance. Thank you for